Hi folks, Jason here at Leisure Time Sales, taking a look at a 2022 Imagine 23 BHE. Beautiful little family camper. One of the features we'll look at before we go inside is this great outdoor kitchen. We've got a 3-burner chemical griddle flat top, which is nice. It's a little easier to clean up than those propane burners. We'll love those too, of course, but I do personally like the flat top griddle because it gives you lots of cooking options. We've got a little fridge. You've also got a spot to put your TV outside and plug that in as well if you want to. Let's take a look at the inside of this beautiful camper. So heading inside, you see a nice big slide for the kitchen as soon as you walk in, which really opens up a lot of great floor space, as you can see here. Got a nice big 12-volt fridge, some pantry storage off to the left. 3-burner cooktop with a Furion range and oven underneath, and a microwave above. Premium wood core cabinet doors. Love this in the Imagine line. Love the Compass Connect, some features that we can really show you and demonstrate when you come in, but in a nutshell, you've just got an upgraded wood cabinetry system in here, and you've also got the ability to do some diagnostics, but the real fun stuff is the interior and exterior lighting. Your slide outs and your awning can all be put out with an app on your phone via Bluetooth, which is a cool feature to have. High-rise faucet over top of the stainless steel sink. You've got some great storage. Below there, you've got an extension for the countertop right by a plug, so if you really want to set something up there, maybe that's where you put your Keurig, that sort of thing. TV's already built into this unit, so you're all set up and ready for entertainment. And you do have a spot right here to be able to sit and enjoy some family time. Maybe have the TV on and use this as a bit of a sitting area. Also will convert to a sleeping area. You've got the drop-down table there, as you can see, and a nice big window. And those premium wood core cabinets repeat themselves above the dinette. Double over double bunks, nice thick bunk mattresses you can see there with the bottom bunk as well, which is a nice touch. USB plugs for both bunks so the kids can keep all their devices charged, and of course privacy curtains will slide over to give them a little bit of extra space of their own. Look at the size of the bathroom too. Great floor space, foot flush toilet. You've got linen storage there, as well as a nice big shower with a sliding door. Corner sink, window to keep things nice and bright in here, of course, with some privacy and the privacy shade, and you've got a corner medicine cabinet as well to keep all your goodies tucked away. Looking towards the front of the camper on the right, there's a lot of your extra storage, as well as some glass front storage there. Your slide-out controllers and everything are in there, tucked away nice and neatly behind the smoke glass. Padded headboard for your safety. You've got blue and white lights. Those LED lights will alternate between a nice white light or a blue light if you'd like to read and let your partner sleep. You've got little cubbies on either side that have both USB and standard plugs, and some space in there to store your phone or any other devices you want to keep next to the bed, nice plugged in and charged and ready to go. Shirt closets on either side. You see that nice design to the wood front cabinetry there. Repeats itself above, and a spot in the corner for a TV if you'd like to have that second TV mounted into the bedroom as well. Sliding pocket door, again, really opens up that floor space. Love that. Get that closed up and you've got some privacy, and again, we'll take a look. Your shoes, all these little things that Grand Design comes up with to give you a little bit more of an enjoyable camping experience. Love that. So this has been a look at the 23 BHE by Imagine, our friends at Grand Design. Another winner here. Great floor plan. Come on in and see us here at Leisure Time Sales in Quispam, Sister. Our friends up at Leisure Time Sales in Moncton have great selection of campers to serve you too. Don't let another summer pass you by, folks. Get out and enjoy some family memories this summer in New Brunswick.